It's just a question of the wind. I mean, you got this all day. It's going to get way bigger. This is either that pre-swell that was going to come in, or it's just the initial shock wave. I think it's the shock wave of it. Look at the corduroy out there. Look at that. That's new. That's new. It's kind of walled up and not peeling and giving guys really good rides. And I'm kind of sedentary, but someplace else around here might be really, really fucking good. Although that's a good way that guy's on.